Hey guys, it's Mila at WTI. If you're looking for a key ring that really does help you organize your keys, I think I have the one for you. So not only do I like this key ring because of the bling that it has, I also like the fact that the finish is in silver because most accessories for your keys have silver. So this is a super easy go-to if you're trying to keep things matching for most of your keys. I do like the fact that this key ring opens up very easily, which allows you to take keys off and on very simply. So if you need to give it to a friend to maybe go check your mail for you, or if you want to give them a key to your truck, but you want to keep your car keys, you can do that very easily with this. I also like the fact that it comes with this key fob connector because some of our keys actually will work well with this. Mine actually doesn't, so I don't use it, but this is a great feature if you want to use it. I also love the fact that I can attach these keys to certain things. Like I have a water bottle that has a circle ring, so I can just attach it to that and take it with me to the gym, no problem. I love this keychain. It works great for me. That's my point of view.